Hello everyone, this is Maestro Elvis, and here we have the pre-kindergarten Dolch sight words review. We have finished all 4 lessons, and now we are reviewing all of the pre-kindergarten Dolch sight words. Suggestions for learning. Define each word using an English dictionary such as dictionary.com. And English learners, please translate each word and sentence in your language via translate.google.com. And please don't forget to review each video a minimum of 2 to 3 times and try to read each word along with the audio. Here are the pre-kindergarten Dolch sight words in their entirety. Here are all of them. A or repeat after me. A, and, away, big, blue, can, come, down, find, for, funny, go, help, here, I, in, is, it, jump, little, look, make, me, my, not, one, play, read, run, said, see, the, 3, 2, up, we, where, yellow, and you. And now we're going to look at sentences with each of the words from the pre-kindergarten Dolch sight words list, and look at each word in bold and how it fits within each sentence, within the meaning of each sentence. Give me $1. Repeat after me. Give me $1. Maria and Anna are friends. We went away on vacation. The big airplane landed. The sky is clear and blue. If you want help, I can help you. Do you want to come to the park with me? Let's go down the stairs. You need to find a new hobby. What is this key for? Repeat after me. I laugh when I hear funny jokes. We need to go to school every day. I am here to help you learn. Come here so I can see you better. I am a good person. Put the money in your wallet. This is a fun game. Give it to me later. Let's jump in the water. My little dog doesn't bark. Repeat after me. Let's go look at the ocean. If you upset me, you make me angry. Give me your telephone number. This is my favorite song. I am not hungry right now. This is one good movie. I love to play board games. Red roses are very romantic. Let's run at the park. She said a funny joke. Repeat after me. Let's go see a movie. Actually, let's repeat that. Let's go see the movie. The boy and the girl are in love. The three friends are Michael, Maria, and John. Let's go shopping to buy food. Those two people are a couple in love. The plane flies up in the sky. We are learning English vocabulary. Where do you live? The sun is yellow. You need to study hard. So we have finished reading together a sentence with each of the words in the Pre-Kindergarten Dolch Sight Words Review. Now we're going to read these words one more time, but I want you to do something. I want you to write down any words you still don't understand. So from this list, if there are any words that are still difficult for you, please write them down and go back and look in the dictionary for the definition for the word, and also look at the translation if you're an English learner, and look at the sentences that we've done with these words that you're still having trouble with. Okay? All right, let's read these words together. Let's pronounce them together. Repeat after me. A or a. And. Away. Big. Blue. Can. Come. down, find. 4, funny, go, help, here, I, in, is, it, jump, little, look, make, me, my, not, one, play, read, run, said, see, the, 3, 2, up, we, where, yellow, and you. Congratulations, we have finished the pre-kindergarten Dolch sight words list. Next, we are going to work on the kindergarten Dolch sight words, which are more difficult, but also more rewarding. Thank you for working so hard.